Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dance Killer.
Yeah, wait, punch.
Talk to my girl.
Jesus.
Come here.
How are you stout? How are you? Eh?
Let me just try something, man. You fuck up this one.
And you fuck up this one, man? Me see next set. You got a doctor?
Go do what? Tell me not feel pain.
Blows.
Viewers and subscribers, the amount of time when me hear the thing say that bleaching is not good for your skin, the amount of time me hear people say that don't bleach your skin, you see me? However, it seems to me like the more the warning of bleaching go out there from health departments and all these kind of persons, all these kind of people that are trained like doctors and so forth, the more them say don't bleach, it seems to me like some persons just ignore that warning. You see me? Not that I'm bashing anybody who do them bleaching, you know, because look, every man to them own will, them free to do what they want to do, so don't think that I am here to disrespect anybody who doing them bleaching. No, all I'm merely here stating is the danger of bleaching, right? Because when you're bleaching, you're peeling off the outer layer of your skin, right? I don't know if I ever said this before to you, my viewers and subscribers, in any one of my previous videos, but I really and truly have to say it again. When you bleach your skin, you peel off, right? You peel off this outer layer out of you, from half of your skin, which it going let you look, you know, cooler, like your skin is going to look very cool. However, when that layer of your skin is gone, right, you have to think about the sun, like we call that thing, the rays from the sun coming in and all these things, that it will pass through your skin more easily. You get me, I say to you, and you know the damages where that will cause, you see? However, by now, right, I am not sure, but by now, I think that the whole general public, right, supposed to know these things by now. I think so, right? I'm not going to say that every single person know, but by now, to the amount of warning that I've been given about bleaching and to how bleaching has been out there all of this time talked about and so forth, I have a feeling, in my belief, I think that, you know, enough persons supposed to know about this by now. But anyways, I don't know, viewers and subscribers, may only bring it to you to keep an up to date and post it. So may I say the warning of bleaching, right? So this way right here, so is one of the effects that can happen to you when bleaching go wrong. Alright? Yeah, so my advice, right? I would not advise anyone to bleach them skin. That is what I would say. Alright? So this is just a video stating one of the effects how bleaching can leave things looking for you. You see me I say? Alright. Well, you don't know, viewers and subscribers, I'm a dancer skill. I'm just leaving up to date and posted. You're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it?